In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Wrike. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with Wrike, understanding how to make the most of the reporting feature is essential for tracking progress and making informed decisions. First things first, open your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see a section labeled Reports. Click here. This area is your gateway to creating and managing all the reports you'll need. Now that you've entered the Reports section, it's time to dive into creating your custom report. You'll notice options for different types of reports, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on the custom report. Click on Custom Report. This feature is incredibly powerful because it allows you to tailor the information to suit your specific needs, whether that be tracking project timelines, employee workloads, or any other aspect critical to your work. The next step is choosing what exactly you want to report on. Wrike gives you a variety of options here, from tasks and projects to entire portfolios. Think about the data you need to present or analyze and select accordingly. For instance, if your goal is to review how a particular team is performing, you might want to select a specific project or set of tasks assigned to that team. After defining what you'll be reporting on, the next decision is about how you want your report to be laid out. Wrike offers several layout options, including tables or visual graphs. Tables are great for detailed, number-heavy reports, while graphs provide at-a-glance visuals that can be powerful during presentations. Choose the layout that best fits your data and your audience. Once you've got your layout sorted, it's time to add filters to your report. Filters are an excellent way to refine the data and focus only on what's most relevant. You might want to filter by date range, project status, or assignee, among other criteria. Using filters effectively can significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your report, allowing you to hone in on the most pertinent information. With everything set up, all that's left to do is click on Create Report. Congratulations! You've now created a custom report in Wrike. From here, you can share it with colleagues, export it for external use, or simply keep it handy for your own reference. And that's it! You now have all the tools you need to create insightful, detailed reports in Wrike. With practice, you'll be able to fine-tune your reports to extract and present the most useful data, making your project management efforts even more effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy reporting!